drawers 5, 6, and 7, which to make it easier, I just dumped it all in one drawer. One was almost empty. So that's 5, 6, and 7. There got to be 20 drawers on this box, chest of drawers, whatever you want to call it, all steel. Came with a big deal. Even that itself is worth a lot of money, I'm sure. But anyways, it's a free trip to the chiropractor if I was to try to carry it up. Luckily it was on wheels. We rolled it on in. It took 2 of us to roll it in. Imagine how heavy. And so I figured once I get the drawers up here and it's empty, 2 of us will be able to carry it up, and it'll be very helpful up here, and I'll have it way more organized than what it was. So we're going to backtrack to box 50. Drawers 5, 6, and 7 combined into one drawer. And there you have it. There's the one drawer. Before we start this video, I'd like to mention I do have a couple of t-shirts left. And the 2 extra large. And I still have the 2 4 extra large. No one's bought the 4 extra large. They're the same price as the 2 extra large. $25 free ship. Alright? And that $25 free ship is whatever you can fit into a flat rate bubble envelope. So if you buy this $25 free ship t-shirt and you buy some little stuff that doesn't add to shipping or doesn't make shipping, you'll still get free ship as long as it'll fit in that envelope. Alright. Still got 2 4 extra larges and about 4 2 extra larges left. The purchase of these t-shirts, and these probably the last because the wholesaler about doubled their price on their t-shirts. The Hanes, I got nothing against the company. I mean, when I first bought them, they were pretty cheap, and I don't know if I'll do it again with the prices so high. So once these are gone, they may not come back. And with the sale of these items, they really help me do what I do best. Alright, so here we go. Thanks everybody for joining on in. Put this mask on because I think these drawers have been a little dusty. Like a lot of the boxes, until I get my hands on them. Interesting. That looks industrial. I don't know. Wow, I'm stumped. I'm stumped on the very first item. I'm gonna need everybody's help on this one, I think. Looks like a nice part. Here we go. I know what that is. I would say probably a Class 15 clone. For a Class 15 clone there, missing the tension assembly. We'll take these inserts out, get them out of the way. A little piece of tin. Don't know what that's for, get it out of the way. Some thread. Let's get this paperwork out of here. Touchtronic 2001, just one page. It talks about a lot of their good stuff on there. Good stuff on there. Maybe I'll read that later. We'll set that aside here. Alright. I'm going to try to do 3-4 videos today. We're going to update the Fred's Freebies because almost all the fat quarters are gone. And we're going to do a new Fred's $1, $2, $3 store. It's way overdue. A Viking shuttle. Viking shuttle. We'll make the focus point right there. Touch and sew. Touch and sew. It's a good one. Low shank. One hinge. Garbage. Garbage. I don't know. Is that for a featherweight? It's kind of a. Or is that too small? All right. It's a drip pan for something small. So far, this box ain't really dusty. Not like some of the other ones. A rotating shuttle hook, a rotating hook for a 306 319 is what it's saying. Interesting. Another, I don't know, one of those bobbin cases. Another touch and sew. Good spring. Good. Let's see how many empty baggies we have here. I'm actually starting to save some of these. They use 4 mil. I personally like 2 mil better. I think a 4 mil is a kind of an overkill. All right, bag of treasures. Bag of treasures. Screwdriver. Going to the screwdriver drawer. Always nice to have. We got some feet. Low shank zigzag, low shank straight stitch. These are non-singer. Adjustable. I think this is, yeah, non-singer. Oh wait, what's it say? It says something. Something 1805 Japan. Interesting. Adjustable zipper cording. Piping foot. We got cam number 11. A common cam, $2. Overstock cam actually. So that's on sale for $2. Just I don't know. Another one of those plastic bobbin case. Hey, I bet you this won't last. That'll clean up too. A Singer glass lens for their light. Another. Wait a minute. Yep. Why does it say a bobbin winder? Okay, I see. There is some. Oh. See, that one's broken. Broken. Ooh, tape measure. Someone taped the end. That was nice of them. Tension assembly. Looks like maybe a touch and sew, I would guess. The old school plug. Which is, I would recommend using a surge protector for this. I might use it in a surge protector. Which is, I use a surge protector to test all my sewing machines, and you can use a little button. If you know what the surge protector is, it's a plug with 3 or 4 outlets to plug in, and that protects you from, it'll blow a fuse before you. Should have one on the side of it too. Here's another touch and sew. And then you can use the on and off button. You can plug everything in, and then like you're testing something, you can use the on and off button on the surge protector. Okay, miscellaneous parts, envelope. Let's finish this one off. Clamp. Ooh. A lot of needle strikes on this. A quilting guide. Another trophy guide. Hey, check this out. Is this for... I don't know. I don't recognize it. I really don't. Is this for something special? I'm stumped. Let me think about it. Shape. This is a featherweight. It gotta be, yeah. This is shaped. Wait a minute. Let me think about this. Featherweight goes like that. Yeah, I think this is for a white featherweight, if I'm not mistaken. To my best of my knowledge. A special quality. Okay, we're down to, let's see here. Coming case. Look at this foot. What is that, a slant or a high? Interesting. Couple of plastic bobbins. Wish I had a tray or something. Okay, well, anyways, we're down to about nothing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please take the time to subscribe and like the video if you can. And there's a lot more to come. Enjoy your day, everyone. Thanks for watching.